FlipGo Horizon. Magnetic snap-on design. Single cable connectivity. Draw, work, stream, all at once.
It's just that convenient.
Portrait landscape switching for any workflow. One stand, 3 configurations. Switch ready. Triple screen editing. Seamless multitasking. And 3D model navigation. Need more power? Reverse charging via USB-C. Pair it with SnapStamp Pro to unlock new forms of productivity, like a transformer for your desk. Plug and play on both Windows and Mac OS. MagSafe and cold shoe mount for creative add-ons. Stable, adaptive, creative. Your studio now fits in your bag.